Guys, today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So if you have a problem with the Bluetooth device, always start from the simplest way, so switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your phone. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate pair mode you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open settings. Swipe down to the general management and look for the reset. Open it and choose mobile, network, settings or Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. So I prefer the second option. And now just on the reset settings button. As you can see now it's resetted, so check for your device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to upgrade your system, so you have to open the software update and choose first option. If you have an update, just download it and install. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment and goodbye.